This is going to be another easy mica puddle pour in our beautiful crystal edge silicone mold A. This has got lots of sparkly edges, so I know the end result's going to turn out great. I mixed up 7 ounces of Art Pro resin and split it 4 ounces to purple and 3 ounces for black. I only used 1 drop of pigment paste in the black because it colors it quite heavily, and I used 12 tiny scoops of purple mica. I also have some glitter and glitter glass for the center. I wait till this resin's about 32 to 33 degrees Celsius. This time it was about 34, but that's okay. It's time to pour. This simple pour, you just take the black and pour it to the bottom of your mold, making sure to get all of it out of your cup. Then you just pour the purple on top of that. The purple ends up sinking to the bottom of the black pigment paste to create beautiful cells. There's no extra resin, no extra tricks. I then had mixed a little bit of resin in the glass glitter to put in the center. I mix it in the resin so it sinks to the bottom and doesn't spread out. There, the resin's moving. And once the resin is cured, it's time to demold. This process never fails to amaze me. I love that gorgeous purple color. Let us know what you think in the comments below.